Welcome to the focal length of a convex lens lab, where we will be finding the focal length of a convex lens. The focal length of an optical system is a measure of how strongly it converges or diverges light. There are four materials you will need to complete this lab: a candle, a meter stick, a screen, and a lens. Set up all your materials according to the diagram shown here. Lay the meter stick along the table with the candle at one end and the screen at the other. Move the screen to the desired measurements relative to the candle, and move the lens accordingly. Move the screen to 40 different spots across the meter stick, and move the lens accordingly so as to create a clear image on the screen each time. Record the distance from the lens to the candle and the distance from the lens to the screen. Once you've done this 40 times, you'll end up with a data table that looks something like this. Using Microsoft Excel, convert your data table into a graph. Once this is done, you should come up with a graph that looks like this. Once you have your graph, draw the curve of best fit and draw the asymptotes. By doing this, you can find the focal point, which in our case was 13.4. Some potential sources of error are the inaccuracy of our measurements and the actual clearness of the image when we took the reading. Another potential source of error is the inaccuracy of our curve of best fit, which was drawn by hand. That's all for the focal length lab.